So this is a ferret. Ferrets are related to the European polecat and the black-footed ferret out in the western United States. They are in the mustelid family, so they're also related to weasels and stoats. Ferrets are absolutely delightful creatures. They are fun pets, but they do require some attention. Actually, they require a lot of attention because they get into trouble. They're very, very curious. Matter of fact, they're curious to a fault. This one wants to go and explore the universe, as you can see. They love to play, they love to sleep, and they're very happy animals. They dance, they're generally quiet, but the things to know about ferrets are that they do require more veterinary care than other pets. They can live for 8 to 12 years. The veterinary care that they need is vaccines. So they need distemper vaccination, canine distemper vaccination, and rabies vaccines. The rabies vaccine is required by law, and there are only 2 licensed products in the United States for ferrets. So make sure you take your ferret to a veterinarian who knows about ferrets and has the appropriate vaccines on hand. The other thing to know about ferrets, besides that they're very happy creatures and curious creatures, is that they should never be let out of your sight when they're in the household, because they love rubber and they love hiding underneath couches, and they love to eat things that are made out of rubber. That includes your shoes. I did at one time dig the foot of a rubber chicken out of the esophagus of a ferret. So they can get into trouble because they're so curious. Keep them in your sight. The other thing is they are consummate carnivores, so they need more protein in their diet than even cats do. About 32% protein in their diet, so feed them a ferret food if you can, not a cat food. They are prone to heat strokes, so they should never be left outside where it's too hot or in a place above 80 degrees at any time. Being carnivores, they have a very quick digestive system, which means from stem to stern, when the food goes in, it comes out in about 4 hours. So be prepared to clean up after ferrets. The other thing is that they love company, and they do better when they have another ferret. They're kind of like potato chips. You can't have just one. Other things that you need to know about ferrets is that they do require heartworm prevention, so they should be kept on heartworm prevention year-round, just like dogs and cats. And they do get fleas. Beyond that, they're fairly simple. They require attention, they need a lot of exercise, and they need a lot of interaction. So one is not supposed to have a favorite pet, but these definitely are the top of my list. They also have, unfortunately, because the genetic pool for ferrets is not very large in the United States, they are prone to cancer. So, and some other medical problems. So they do require some medical attention and by a veterinarian that knows ferrets. But enjoy your ferret. They're fun creatures and you can't help but be happy around them. Well, guinea pigs are delightful little pets. They live for approximately 6 years. They can live up to 8 years. Generally about 6 years is an old guinea pig.